Welcome to Bicol University, home to a vibrant community of learners and innovators. Today, we delve into the world of computer science through the eyes of a BUCS student.
My goal as a computer science student is to become a leader in the tech industry. I want to develop innovative solutions to real-world problems and make a positive impact on society.
Bicol University, with its breathtaking backdrop of Mount Mayon, stands as a beacon of academic excellence within its halls.
I chose BSCS at Bicol University because of its stellar reputation and commitment to innovation. The faculty here, as you can see, are experts in their fields, and the curriculum is designed to inspire and challenge us all.
What makes Bicol University so unique is its versatility. From healthcare to finance to education to entertainment, Bicol University plays a crucial role in every aspect of modern life. So whether you're a prospective student or simply curious about Bicol University and BUCS, we are here to welcome you with open arms. Join us in this journey of discovery and innovation where the possibilities are limitless.
We're ComSci students. Of course, majority sa amin ay men.
We're ComSci students. Of course, majority ng population are nonchalant.
Hey guys! We are ComSci students. Of course, control C and control V lang ang alam na.
We're ComSci students. Of course, di kami naliligo.
We are ComSci students. Of course, mana kami sa father of ComSci na isang lalaki.
Oy, sino ba din dito?
We're ComSci students. Of course, kapag may sira, point of luck.
We're ComSci students. Of course, palagi naming nakakalimutan ang semicolon.
We're ComSci students. Of course, pumapasok lang kami para magpa-aircon.
We're ComSci students. Of course, akala nila paisip kami ng washing machine.
We're ComSci students. Of course, gising kami sa gabi at tulog kami sa umaga.